Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's William here. I've got a video for you today that I want to share with you. This tool is called FlexClip. This does a lot of video editing along with some AI capabilities. In the market, I would say there are lots of these softwares and apps, and I think this one really stands out is that they do have a lot of videos and images uh, that comes along. So if you are subscribing to their service, you'll get 4 million plus royalty-free stock assets. Comes into Storyblocks. So Storyblocks is a paid version. Unsplash is free. So I think this is the one that you get most of it, is the Storyblocks royalty images. You will get the video editing software from their platform. And it's really cool that you can do it with a team. If you have your agencies or you work with few other people, you can share your projects and work seamlessly together with them. So let's have a quick look how many people they actually have visiting their website from time to time. Always a good place to start. Like, are they getting a lot of attractions? So just the last 3 months, you can see they have like 3.4 million visits per month. So that's a lot of traffic. You can see they're ranking around like 22,000 in US. So that's a lot of traffic where people are making videos using their service. So we can look at the templates that they have. The popular ones will be here: promotion, sales, lifestyles. You can see there's landscape, uh, landscape layouts, and there's portrait layouts. So for those who are doing like TikTok, uh, YouTube Shorts, it's all there for you. So even with square format. So these are pretty common. You have landscape, vertical style, and square styles. They will have things in education, corporates, wedding, birthdays. So like anyone could be using this tool to make videos easily. So let's look at the tools that they're offering. So you're going to get AI text to video. So you could just put in a script and then it can make a video for you. We'll definitely try that out. It can do AI video scripts or even write video scripts for you. AI image generator, AI text to speech, auto subtitle, background remover. So this is pretty good. Some features like from Canva, we can remove backgrounds and then adding logo to video, audio, cutter. So it's a full-fledged video editing software with a lot of AI technology built in. One more thing I do want to point out is that they do have a lot of knowledge-based things. So you can learn how to do video editing with their knowledge base here. So like 5 best AI album covers to generate in less than a minute. So they'll teach you how to generate these titles, these images for you. So you see it's price free. Oh, sorry, these are just talking about other tools as well. So FlexClip is also one of them. Of course, they'll put them as number one. You get the other alternatives as well here, so that's fine. So a little bit of promotion on themselves and then letting you know what other tools are out there in the market. So you can still learn how to create videos, video recording, video conversion, all that kind of stuff. So let's actually jump into the dashboard and see how it looks like. So we're now inside the FlexClip dashboard. This is a pretty clean layout. On the left, you have your side menu bar with your projects, your own templates, stock video, cloud storage. So they'll allow you to store videos on their platform as well. And then on the main layout, main screen, you'll have all these different templates. What we can do today is just to create like a vertical style video. So maybe we can take one of their templates, let's say in real estate. Maybe we feel like to do a vertical video today, so we'll take this one. So we're looking at one of these templates. We can play on the preview and see how it looks like. Yeah, so you can see there are transitions, text overlays, logos, images. So at the same template, you can click around. You want to be in the you can make it as a landscape or in square format. So it's very customizable. So let's hit customize. All right, it's loading right now. So right now, what we can see is the timeline on the bottom. So it's very similar to most of the video editing software. This is the background music. These are the clip footage here. So on the left, you have your media. So of course, you can upload your own media files here. If you want to browse their stock footage, their stock videos, I would say it's going to be in this button, video. So let's say you want something else. You want another apartment. So I can search apartments. So these are just static image. So let's do static image here as well. I'll search for apartments. Maybe I prefer this photo. So let's see if I can just drag this photo and replace it here. And that is exactly how it can do. So it's just like using Canva, sort of. So let me just replace this photo again. I think this is the one I like. And if you double click on it, you can adjust. Oops, sorry. If you double click, you can kind of adjust which part of the image you want to place in here. So to replace the logo, just click on this. Let's see, I can replace it by this button. Let's say I want to use something else, so I can use this image randomly. So now that's my logo. Let's see if we can just change the color of these stuff. So let's say I don't like this color. I can easily change this to red. Yeah. Again, it's really easy to use, I think. Text colors, again, I like red, so I can change this to red. The border, let's see if I can change this color. All right, so let's say we want to try transform. Let's see what transform does. Transform. Okay, that's just making left, right to your background. It's cool. So let's say I want to try some other stuff. Motion. I can do fade in, enter out. So these are transitions from the existing scene, cutscene. And you can make this as a loop, so it just keeps on having the animation. All right, let's try out the animation part. So I think this is the entire scene, so we can do it from top. Moving to the top. Let's just do a quick preview. Oh, I didn't see that transition, so let's do that again. So you can actually click on this timeline button and it will actually just expand the full timeline here. So each of the objects would have its place. So let's say you want to have this somewhere here. Then having the transition with the text, you can even tweak it to the point at what time that it will come out. So this is the full detail. Of course, you can hit back. It kind of groups everything back into this particular scene. So that's a very handy tool. So I think from starting from scratch, you probably want to do it in the template. So just start with a template and then just change the image and then change the color scheme, etc., rather than creating everything from scratch. And then let's see how we can change the audio here. All right, so once you click on the audio, you'll get a bunch of suggested music here, or the one that they will recommend. You can put in some sort of keywords to find the right music for you. I can say I want something to be happy. And then let's just try some of these audio. That sounds good. So we can try a few more. So if I think I like this one, I can hit this to add timeline. And then if I don't like this one, I can just replace it, remove it, put this here, then I'll just shift the timeline correctly. I mean, that's the entire, I can expand this. This is probably longer because it has like 3 minutes. So this is a 25-second clip, so it'll fit nicely. So let's just start again. Okay, that looks good. So good, simple video editing software with the images, stock videos, stock photos from Storyblocks. So it's a paid subscription. So you're not going to see a lot of the free ones here. So that's good. All right. So now checking out the text, available text objects here that are available. So if you're in YouTube, of course, you want these kind of buttons to put people to subscribe to your channels, etc. So that's good. I think this is also animated as well. So let's say I want this to be here, right in the middle. It's really handy that you can just use this. Make it into the center in the middle, right in the middle. Let's make this slightly bigger. Yeah, so there's the image. Let's expand this further out. So I don't want this to be here all the time. And just make this as a 3-second pop-up. And then I can just go back, click on this thing, click on this object, put in a motion. I can have this in zoom, bounce, something like anyone you can choose here. Yeah, I'll choose wipe, and then that'll work. So let's play with the starts. Yeah, 3 seconds probably too short, so you can tweak around, but that's how it works. So adding text, you can add a bunch of other text titles, backgrounds, even profiles. So like these are all well thought already. So again, don't start from scratch. Just pick these materials, these assets here. It'll help you easily create your own video. Elements are like the shapes, size, max frames. This is really like the good Canva that I have used to be using for all the time. Overlay, you can add overlays, which is the logo, any sort of layouts. I'm not going to try this in this video. So I'm going to keep this video pretty short. I don't want it to be too long. In the next video, I'll do another feature on their text video and AI image generator. So if you're interested in this content, please do subscribe to my channel for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one.